Go here. There you go, Bug. There you go, Cam. Uh-oh. Hurry. Went to the fence. Second base.
Oh my goodness.
Watch out. Stay over there. Sons, over there. Yeah, stay. Don't cross those white lines. See those white lines? Look at those. Look at the other one. Don't move out of there. Go here. There you go. That's one way to stop it. From your knees. Here you go. There you go. Way to squeeze it. Look it all the way in. There you go. First.
Okay, I see what you're doing. You just want to dive. That's all you want to do.
Ground. There you go. Move your feet.
Hey, dude, if it's in front of you, put the glove right. We can work on backhand in a minute, but right now, just go up.
There you go. Hurry, pick it up with your hand. There you go. Hurry. Oh, you okay? Toss it. Softly.
Hey!
There you go.
Bug, come on, man.
Go here, Bug. Uh-oh, you gotta squeeze it. Second base. He's going second. Hurry up! Go with line drive. Get over back over there. There you go. Okay. You gotta watch it in. Hurry up. Second base. He's coming to second. Oh, no. Let Bug get it. It's a ball. Throw it back to me, please. Here you go, Bug. I got you another one coming. There you go. Watch it in. Watch it all the way in. There you go. There you go. Watch out for the tire. There you go. Get up. Throw it like there you go, Bug, with the backhand from your knees.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.